We just tiled our fireplace surround with LiLi tile. Now we'll show you how we did it. Time for some tile. What do you think, Madison? You ready? I'm cutting this paneling away here to make room for the tile. So I've been using a circular saw, and then I'm going to use a Dremel to get these little bits in the corners. It's pretty hard to get in there because behind it is brick and I can't use a sawzall. I used a hammer and chisel to get the corners after the Dremel. Here it is after cutting away those wood pieces. My wife is very particular on the gap she wants for our tile on our fireplace surround. Here are the gaps. So she has a little she has a PowerPoint she's made with the exact dimensions of the gaps. I'm going to make tile spacers with these exact dimensions. Just 3D printed some test spacers here. Here's my tile mortar. I'm going to pour about a quarter of this into the bucket and then pour the water. The coverage is 75 to 90 square feet with a 1/4 inch trowel. So I only need about 15-20 square feet. We are applying the thin set. Nice. Placing the first tile here. Beautiful. I wedged this in here with a 2x4. This is to hold the top tile. Excess mortar that got on the tile is being wiped away. We are applying these LiLi tiles. The custom 3D printed tile spacers are doing their job, and they're doing pretty well. Here we go. It's all tiled. Now just time to wait. It's a day later, and I'm removing the spacers. Here is the sealer. We're applying it to the tile. Here's the grout. We're using unsanded so we don't damage the tile. Mixing it together in the bucket. And there you go. Here we go. Here we go. The fireplace tile has been grouted. We removed the excess that was getting on the tile with a sponge, and then we applied 2 coats of this with a foam brush. And there you have it. Nice fireplace surround with LiLi tile. Stay warm, everybody.